9:15 PM today. അപ്പൊ സമയം ഓർമ്മയുണ്ടല്ലോ? എപ്പോഴാ? 11? Yes, 11:15 tonight. So do check out the website and play Pushpa 2 trailer contest.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the production company, which is going to be India's #1 production company, Maitri Movie Makers. Maitri Movie Makers in ഒരു മലയാളം കണക്ട് ഞാൻ പറയാം. They has also behind the much our dearest Lala's movie Janata Kya